Welcome back, guys. OnDLoose here, Jason. Today I'm going to show you the following achievement, how to unlock it. That is, keep that camera rolling, take 25 photos of different cars in free mode. Keyword being free mode. So, get into your game, go to Horizon Realms, pick any of them, go free mode, this is important, and yeah, just pick any car. Now once you're in free mode, get your camera, grab a photo, that's one. I'll speed this up and we'll unlock this achievement together. And there it is. Keep that camera rolling. Now, wasn't 25 cars exactly, but that's what you do. You want that achievement. Keep that camera rolling. Take photos of 25 different cars in free mode. So just remember, go into the Horizon Realms, pick anything, and pick free mode and start taking your photos. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you want to see something else, or you got some suggestions, or you want some help, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.